Junfeng moment. Ready, blow. Up, down. Watch me. Feel arms floating. Qi expand. Feel floating. Follow me. Gradually really feel expand. Arms floating. Gradually diagonal go forward, upward. Flow, flow. And then elbow go down. Flow down. Follow me. Just naturally go down. Go up again. Elbow go. Lower arms, hands go. Flow, flow. Arms full of qi. And then go down. Elbow go first. Hands follow. Feel expand. And then floating again. Flow. Upper arm, lead your lower arm and the hands go up. Go down, elbow first. Expand, armpit open, elbow, flow, hands follow, flow. Go down, elbow first, hands go. Flow, flow, slowly go down. Feel floating up. Down. Go up, go down from upper arm. Now upper arm finish, only hands. Go up, upper arm, elbow, lower arm, lead hands. Flow, flow. Go down, elbow go. Hands floating, go down. Up, elbow first. Down. And then change direction to the side. One, inhale, expand to the side. And then exhale. Inhale, elbow first, hands follow. Exhale. You feel floating. Qi expand, naturally become slow. Inhale, expand, body straight. Exhale. Body a little slump. A little slump. Up. Down. To feel your body full of qi. Up. Down. You continue. You can close your eyes. Now follow me. Ready? Floating, floating. Turning your body. Hands make a circle. 1, 2. Floating, floating. 1. Flow, flow, flow. Change. 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Continue. Slower. Feel floating. Your arms floating like clouds, like mist, like smoke. Open your eyes. Body turn to the right. Freeze. The left arm straight. Right arm slightly bent, not too low. This is 1. And then turn other side. 2. 1. Body turn. 2. Turn left. 1, 2. Turn your body. 1. After the center line, go back. Okay. Everybody stop. Now, your right hand don't move. Only left hand. Ready? Body turn right, arm straight. After the center line. After center line. And then body turn to the left. Hands a little lower. Go up to here enough. And then turn, go farther, farther, farther. And then a little closer. 1, go farther, limp, 2 hand flex. 1 hand limp, 2 flex. 1, 2. 1, 2 hand not too low. 1 arm straight, 2 bend, make circle. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, go in, go in. 2, go up to the side. 1, a little higher. 2, do not too low. 2, circle to the side. 1, 2, stop. Change to other side. Ready? Body turn to the left. 1, 2, turn right. 1, turn left. 2, turn right. 1, arm straight. 2, slightly bend. Do not bend too much. 1, 2, hand flex. 1, relax your wrist. 2, naturally flex. 1, 2, finish. 2, okay. 中天 movement. Ready? Blow. Up, down.